Welcome back to Slimsync. Today we're tackling the midday meal malaise, the struggle to eat well at work. That moment when your stomach rumbles and you're torn between greasy takeout or skipping lunch altogether. We've all been there. If you're tired of unhealthy desk lunches, this video is for you. We'll break down the barriers to a healthy, satisfying work lunch, no fancy kitchen required. With just a little planning, you can have fast, delicious, no-cook meals that support your weight loss goals. Let's jump right in. the next. Next up, let's talk about the Chicken and Avocado Wrap, a true lunchtime game changer that's as portable as it is satisfying. This isn't just another sandwich, it's a protein-packed, nutrient-dense meal you can take anywhere, whether you're at your desk, on the go, or even enjoying a quick lunch in the park. Begin with a high-fiber, whole wheat tortilla. This forms the sturdy base of your wrap, providing structure so it holds together, and delivering slow-digesting carbs that keep you full for hours. Whole grains also add a subtle nutty flavor and extra fiber for digestive health. For the protein, use pre-cooked or rotisserie chicken. Shred or dice it for maximum convenience. No need to cook from scratch. This shortcut saves time and ensures your wrap is loaded with lean, satisfying protein to fuel your afternoon. Next, mash half an avocado with a squeeze of lime juice, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. The lime not only keeps the avocado bright green and fresh, but also adds a zesty kick that wakes up your taste buds. Spread the creamy avocado mash right in the center of your tortilla, leaving a border around the edges. This helps prevent the filling from spilling out, and ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Layer the shredded chicken evenly over the avocado. The combination of creamy and savory is unbeatable, and the chicken soaks up the lime and avocado for extra juiciness. Add thinly sliced red bell pepper and crisp romaine lettuce for a burst of color, crunch, and freshness. These veggies not only add vitamins and antioxidants, but also make the wrap more satisfying and visually appealing. Now, fold in the sides, tuck, and roll the tortilla tightly. This step is key for a secure, mess-free wrap that holds together until your very last bite. Wrap your creation in parchment paper or foil. This makes it easy to transport, keeps everything fresh, and means you can eat with one hand. No mess, no fuss. When lunchtime rolls around, just unwrap and dig in. No reheating, no assembly required. Just pure, delicious convenience. Each bite delivers a perfect balance. Creamy avocado, savory chicken, and crisp, refreshing veggies. It's a flavor and texture explosion that makes healthy eating genuinely enjoyable. This wrap is a nutritional powerhouse. Whole grains for energy, lean protein for muscle repair, healthy fats for brain power, and fiber for lasting fullness. It's everything your body needs in one simple package. The result? You stay full, energized, and focused all afternoon. No more midday crashes or reaching for sugary snacks to get you through your workday. Best of all, assembly takes just minutes. You control every ingredient so you can adjust flavors, add extra veggies, or swap in your favorite greens. Say goodbye to waiting in long lunch lines or settling for bland, soggy, store-bought wraps. Homemade means fresher, tastier, and healthier every time. The Chicken and Avocado Wrap is your grab-and-go solution for a nourishing work lunch. It fits perfectly in your lunch bag and is ready whenever you are. Prep it the night before and store it in the fridge for a stress-free morning. It stays fresh and delicious so you can start your day knowing lunch is already handled. It's living proof that fast food can be healthy food. In just a few minutes, you've got a meal that's both quick and nourishing. Take back control of your midday meal with this simple, effective strategy. You'll feel more confident and prepared every single day. Eating well at work doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little planning, you can enjoy a delicious, wholesome lunch every day. This wrap is your ticket to a better lunch break, one that leaves you satisfied, refreshed, and ready to tackle the rest of your day. Make several at once for the week ahead, and you'll always have a healthy option on hand. Meal prep has never been this easy or this tasty. It's a delicious victory for your health, your schedule, and your taste buds. You'll wonder how you ever got by without it. Ready to add another no-cook lunch to your rotation? Let's keep the momentum going with something even lighter. Get set for a protein-packed option that's perfect for busy days and big appetites alike. On to the Greek yogurt protein bowl. If you're looking for a lunch that's light, energizing, and packed with protein, the Greek yogurt protein bowl is your go-to solution. It's a simple, no-cook meal that delivers big on nutrition and flavor, making it perfect for busy workdays, or when you want something satisfying without feeling weighed down. Begin with a generous serving of plain Greek yogurt. Choose full fat or 2% for a creamy texture and a rich, satisfying taste that keeps you fuller for longer. Greek yogurt is loaded with protein, calcium, and probiotics, which support gut health and help you stay energized throughout the day. Next, whisk in a scoop of your favorite protein powder. This step is key for boosting the protein content, making your lunch even more filling and muscle-friendly. Whether you prefer vanilla, chocolate, or unflavored, the protein powder blends seamlessly into the yogurt, creating a smooth, thick base. Now add a handful of fresh berries. Think blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries. These vibrant fruits are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, which help support your immune system and keep your digestion on track. Plus, they add a natural sweetness and a burst of color to your bowl. For crunch and healthy fats, sprinkle on some chopped nuts like almonds or walnuts. Nuts not only provide texture but also deliver heart-healthy fats and a dose of plant-based protein, making your lunch more balanced and satisfying. Don't forget to add a spoonful of chia or flax seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses, loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. They help keep you full, support brain health, and add a subtle crunch to every bite. If you crave a touch of sweetness, drizzle a little maple syrup or add a few drops of stevia. But remember, the natural sugars from the fruit do most of the work, so you only need a hint of extra sweetness to bring all the flavors together. For meal prep, pack your yogurt and toppings in separate containers. This keeps everything fresh and prevents sogginess, so your lunch is just as delicious at noon as it was when you packed it. When lunchtime rolls around, simply combine your yogurt and toppings, give it a good stir, and enjoy a creamy, crunchy, and deeply satisfying meal right at your desk. This bowl is incredibly quick to assemble, easy to transport, and keeps you feeling full and focused for hours. No microwave or kitchen required. Thanks to the combination of protein and fiber, you'll experience steady energy and controlled hunger, making it easier to power through your afternoon without reaching for unhealthy snacks. It's the ideal lunch for busy days, back-to-back meetings, or whenever you need a nutritious pick-me-up that won't slow you down. No microwave, no mess, and no complicated prep. Just pure, nutrient-dense fuel that fits seamlessly into your workday. The Greek yogurt protein bowl is your secret weapon for staying sharp, focused, and satisfied, even on your busiest days. It's living proof that a light lunch can still be powerful, nourishing, and absolutely delicious. The best part? You can customize your bowl with your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds, so it never gets boring. Prep several bowls in advance for grab-and-go convenience all week long, saving you time and stress every morning. This isn't just a bowl of yogurt and fruit, it's a smart, flexible system for healthy eating that adapts to your tastes and schedule. Make it a regular part of your weekly routine, and you'll notice the difference in your energy, focus, and overall well-being. Say goodbye to afternoon slumps and sugar crashes. This bowl delivers clean, lasting energy to help you power through your day. With every bite, you're fueling your body with wholesome ingredients that taste as good as they make you feel. Healthy eating at work has never been this easy, delicious, or satisfying. Try the Greek yogurt protein bowl just once, and you'll see why it's a lunchtime favorite for so many. 3 no-cook lunches, endless possibilities. Let's wrap up. That's it. 3 no-cook work lunches to help you lose weight and stay energized. These aren't just recipes, they're strategies for taking control of your workday health. Prep them ahead, pack them up, and enjoy better lunches every day. Every meal is a chance to fuel your best self. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Slimsync tips. See you in the next video.